Michigan Department of Corrections owes one employee $1 million after she sued for sexual harassment. The settlement was made to avoid trial.
Bethany Moore spoke with the victim on why this is not only a win for her, but for women in the Corrections Department.
It was a long road to get here. They originally filed that case in 2014. But victim Shannon Woods said she wanted to keep fighting for justice for herself and other victims.
It was a lot of ups and downs. There were many times that I wanted to give up and just throw in the towel and just, let them win. But I realized, I'm doing this not only for myself, but for other women too.
It was the fight of her life that started with an alleged inappropriate fellow employee at the Department of Corrections. In the lawsuit filed, Shannon says that the other employee would assault her by forcibly kissing her, pet her, and at one point sent a picture of his genitals and asked did she like the picture.
He continued to harass me over and over again, and I complained to management and nothing was ever done.
A parole officer for 7 years, Shannon says she was shocked at the lack of response, and that's why she hired lawyer Jonathan Marco of Marco Law. That led to a 4-year legal battle.
Their tactic is delay, delay, delay to never allow her day in court, and the judge held everybody's feet to the fire and said, this is coming to an end.
Shannon sued the Department of Corrections, the alleged assaulter, and her supervisor in state and federal court. That battle ended with the department settling for $1.1 million.
It was a great moment. There was a lot of tears being shed in the courtroom.
Marco hopes this makes a difference.
Hopefully this brings some change within the Michigan Department of Corrections. Hopefully that it's brought some attention to it in the public and that we can stop this type of thing from happening.
Shannon says this is a systemic problem in her department and others, and she has a message for those that are still in the fight.
Don't be afraid. Live in your truth. Speak up for what's right for yourself, and you'll be thankful that you did it.
Bethany Moore, 7 Action News.
The MDOC did release the following statement. It reads, the MDOC does not condone sexual harassment of any type or degree. We settled the case because of his conduct, even though some of it took place after work hours. While these incidents took place prior to Director Washington's appointment as director, she hopes this settlement sends a message the MDOC will not tolerate or accept inappropriate behavior on the part of our staff or contractors.